Hello students, welcome to the commerce class. Now we are going to start the chapter number 5, which is e-commerce. So e-commerce is well known to you. You know, you order several things from the retail marketing companies like Amazon or Flipkart or Alibaba. All these are examples of e-commerce websites which provide buyer seller interaction on the internet. So it is basically e-market, and these terms are used synonymously, like e-commerce and e-business all are used synonymously, both meaning same. So let's see what are the advantage of e-commerce over the traditional methods of business. So first thing is e-commerce has a global outreach. That means customers from all over globe can reach the seller, and he can contact the seller immediately without losing any time, with low cost. And only not only the local customers, but customers from all the corners of globe can reach your product or reach your shop and order you. So this brings global reach and global choices also, as a customer can choose between range of products available in the whole world. Again, it improves competitiveness, as a customer, if he wants to compare the prices of the product sold by many sellers, he has to go to every seller and ask the price or ask for quotation. But in case of e-commerce, the customers can easily see the goods available in the market and compare their prices by surfing only the internet. So it improves competitiveness. Again, in case of e-commerce, things can be made personalized, customized according to the need of the customer. Like suppose any customer wants a special type of musical instrument, then he can contact the seller and can order him to make the customized product. Whereas mass customization can also be done, and a general product may be available for all. It shortens and eradicates supply chain. When a producer produces any product, then distributors are needed to distribute their products, to remove the hindrance of places. So this is done through e-commerce, where a customer can directly contact the producer, as well as a producer can directly contact the customer. So all the intermediaries in the supply chain are automatically eradicated, like distributors, wholesalers, retailers. All these persons provide service of distribution, and they also charge some amount of profit for their services also. So in this case, removing distributor decreases cost also, so it brings substantial savings and reductions in prices for customers, and it can also increase the profit of the producer. It gives equal opportunity to new products and services. New products and services are very difficult to sold in physical market, but it is very easy on the internet, because the customers generally search by using the name of the product, and new ideas, new product, new services are equally competitive on the internet. It is very convenient to run it. Any shop may not be open for 24 hours, 7 days or 365 days a year, but an e-shop, a website, is always open for the customer, and customer can place the order at any time, and that may be dealt with by seller at any time. Paperless society, it uses the digital methods of documentation. So challan, receipts, and order receipt all are done through paperless system using digital documents. It has much speed than convenient methods of traditional business. The orders can be placed immediately, and orders can be dealt with also very speedily. The delivery can also be made by using several delivery services available in the market. So, in this way, it brings a speed, and only 3 to 4 days it takes to deliver the product to the customers. It has lower investment also, because a customer goes into shop, and the shop has to be decorated, has to be at a uh, proper marketplace. But in case of e-commerce, a store can be opened on the internet without having any physical presence, and it removes the cost of decoration of the outlets and the rent which has to be paid for a busy marketplace, and it remains very high. So e-commerce has a lower investment than traditional businesses. So these are the benefits of e-commerce over traditional commerce. Thanks.